To set snore detection to once for one-time measurement on your Galaxy Watch, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap sleep. Tap the gray on off switch next to snore detection until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap snore detection and then select once. By setting snore detection to once, your Galaxy Watch will measure snoring for just one sleep session and automatically stop afterwards. It's a helpful way to check your sleep health without using extra battery over multiple nights. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.